Hi, thanks for having me, Kimberly.
Welcome to All Things Wedding with the Knot, where we answer some of your most asked wedding questions.
In today's video, we're sharing 9 easy steps to creating your best wedding hashtag.
Most couples want to create a special hashtag so guests have an easy way to share and tag photos from the celebration.
For step number 1, let's start with the basics. Use your first, last, and nicknames as your wedding hashtag starting point.
This is the perfect time to embrace the cutesy, mashed up names your friends may have given you years ago. I think ours would be hashtag Coops because, you know, Kimberly Hoops.
Yeah, I love it. Putting it on all my Instagram posts.
Step 2, use numbers for a simple way to set your wedding hashtag apart.
Using the year or date of your wedding is an easy way to make your wedding hashtag your own.
Exactly. There might be a lot of hashtag Jack and Jill in the world, but you'll probably be the only hashtag Jack and Jill 11/17/21.
Exactly. Step 3, get punny. This is one part of your wedding you can really have fun with, especially when it comes to wordplay.
Look for alliterations, rhymes, synonyms, and puns for a wedding hashtag that is both clever and memorable.
Don't forget to enlist your family and friends to help you brainstorm a creative hashtag. So, okay, Kimberly, let's brainstorm a little bit.
Yeah, so for example, if your last name is Watt,
you could do turn down for what?
I love that. That's perfect. Step 4. Avoid easy misspellings. Read over your wedding hashtag for any obvious ways it could get misspelled by your guests.
For example, moving around words if there are 2 of the same letters and different words next to each other.
It could be as simple as flipping hashtag Sarah and Dave to hashtag Dave and Sarah to avoid a tricky double A and D situation.
Step 5, capitalize the first letter of each word. Although capitalized or non-capitalized hashtags will work the same, capitalizing the first letter of each word can help with readability.
Doing this will also make it more likely that everyone will get your joke or pun. For example, you could use hashtag shooting for hoops. Yes, for you.
Right. And you would capitalize the S, the F, and the H.
Exactly. Step 6, check the wedding hashtag.
Before you print those save the dates, do a quick check of the wedding hashtag on Instagram to see if there's already been something tagged to it, and if so, how many photos.
If there's only a handful of other photos, go ahead and use it. But if there's an entire other wedding with the same exact hashtag, you may want to switch it up to avoid getting photos mixed up.
Step 7, spread the word. After you've decided on a wedding hashtag, it's time to get the word out. Start early by telling your wedding party and putting it on your save the dates and wedding website.
Remember, you can personalize your own wedding website over at The Knot. Also, don't forget to embrace your hashtag at your wedding, like with a cute sign or in the photo booth.
Everyone loves bathroom selfies, right?
For sure.
You're all dressed up, you're looking good. Why not get your hashtag printed on little removable stickers and throw them on the bathroom mirror?
I love that idea. I could see it all over people's stories. The possibilities are endless. Step 8, don't overthink it.
It may seem like creating the perfect hashtag is a huge deal, but whatever you do, don't stress.
That's right. Although hashtags are a fun way to personalize your wedding, it is the photos that you will have for the rest of your life.
Step 9, try a wedding hashtag generator. Still stumped on coming up with the best hashtag? Let technology be your friend and don't be afraid to use the wedding hashtag generator.
No shame in that game. I think I'll try a wedding hashtag generator for fun. I wonder what my hashtag would be if I marry Michael B. Jordan.
Plug it in. We are confident you will find a great option that will make the perfect wedding hashtag for your perfect day.
Let us know in the comments below what are some of your favorite wedding hashtags.
And don't forget to subscribe to The Knot for more helpful wedding planning videos.
See you next time.
Bye.